Okay, we're inside the patio, so we're gonna check out that big crowd over there and just kind of go through it, see what it looks like, and just kind of go through all the different angles. And we're basically gonna go around in a little circle, and we're in a patio right now. We're not too far from Grand Lisboa Casino, which is right there. So so stay tuned. First thing we're gonna do is check out that crowd and just kind of see what that's all about. So another little slice of Macau, and I'll also give you some context of where we are as well. So stay tuned. Macau 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is just kind of check out this one. And actually what they're doing here is they're getting these little pastel de nadas, so you can see. So this is actually one of the most famous places to get pastel de nata. So you got the long lines there as well. And we're gonna come back around and we're gonna capture these lines. So yeah, that's always a long line. There's always a lot of people. I bet there was even more a couple days ago. But yeah, they get pastel de nata there. And we'll try to see if we can get a closer one in a second. They also got some other stuff too. Beef intestines. Let me give you a little bit of a context. That's some beautiful artwork right there. Okay, so let's kind of go back in, check it all out. So Cafe Inada. So usually people will come out with the boxes and they usually will do Instagram, take pictures, and then put it on social media. Like that right there. So that's pretty common. Okay, so let's go back around this way. So yeah, that's Cafe de Inada, Margaret. So what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna walk around in here a little bit, kind of show you what it looks like. That's the name of the patio. Usually when I'm in here, I usually give a little lecture about this space right here, because this is a common place to come in, and there's always like water from air conditioning that just kind of soaks up right there. But I'm not going to focus on it this time. But if you look at my past videos, I usually almost always do. So what we're going to do next is just try to capture some of these images. But yeah, I always felt like if they like this kind of got like I don't know, like they could make that cleaner, you know, like put maybe black and white tiles or something kind of interesting, and then they could paint the buildings. I think it would look amazing. They do have some nice little shops. There's a boutique shop, bubble tea shop. Oh. Oseo. Welcome. Welcome. Korean, Japanese, Chinese. So now we're going to come out to this other street, which also feels like it needs a lot of paint. So you got these beautiful little box apartments, which if they were fixed up and painted, could look really amazing. They all have little balconies as well, but they're all abandoned, which is too bad. Okay, so we're going to, we also got this little thing too. So they'll paint these boxes, electric boxes. So you'll see more of those around this area too. Let me see. So now we're on the Hua. We'll keep on walking down. So the other one was a patio, and then now we're on the street. I'm just kind of show the full context of the street. So there's Grand Lisboa right there. Then you can also see the other style of buildings down here too. And then a lot of people will go down here and take pictures. So this is our patio right in here, and you can see that Cafe de Nada straight down that way. Yeah, I mentioned if this was all painted. So if they had that black and white and they painted like Portuguese pastel colors, and then that was painted as well. And they also like could restore that a little bit. Those apartments would look kind of interesting. Even if you had like a bunch of little restaurants in there. Anyways, let's go a little bit further down. And then down at the end here, a lot of people will be coming over here and taking photos of the Grand Lisboa. So we're gonna walk over there too. Then we'll turn around and get a view of that. There you go. And then now you can see this Grand Lisboa right there. So a lot of people will get this shot right here. So that's a popular Instagram shot. And what I'm going to do next is we're going to walk down this way. And we're just going to go back into our little patio. But we're kind of giving you a little context of the different stuff that's around here. You can see that she had one of those Passe de Nada bags too. The person just walked by. So probably this, out of this alley you'll see more of that, of people walking down with that. Multi. Okay. So now we're back in our alley. More people in line. Let me just kind of walk down this way. Okay. So we're going to end this one by walking to the other entrance that I didn't walk down yet. Okay. It's another one of these two. It's up all the ruins with some flowers on it. And then we're going to come back on out. And now we're out at the entrance spot. And then that one goes down to Lisboa, so This is kind of so we are going to go across and they try to give you a little context of where we are exactly. So this is the major street, Avenida de Ufan Enrique, and we're just basically in that little patio right on the other side of this one right here. And then you can see that Grandis boat from different angles. On that note, we're going to end the video. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.